launches scheme which offers caregiver allowance, maintenance grant, scholarship of students with disabilities, free travel and concession of persons with disabilities. International Day of Persons with Disabilities observed across the state. And BJP Manipur Pradesh to file defamation case against editor of a local newspaper. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News, and I'm Victoria Rajkumari with the top stories and the latest news at this hour. First off, Chief Minister Nongthongam Birena today launched the Chief Minister Gi Sotharabasingi Tengbang, that is CMST, to help and assist the differently abled persons in the state in various ways. The scheme was launched at the observance of the International Day of Persons with Disability organized by Department of Social Welfare at Kumalampak Indoor Hall. The Chief Minister asserted that the scheme was launched in order to improve the condition of differently abled persons in the state. He said the BJP-led government is committed to deliver human service to the people and no religion is above the service of humanity. He stated that the government is committed to work for the welfare of the people. Biren observed that no person wants to be born as disabled, and likewise no parents want their child to be born as a disabled child. Biren also declared that no bus fare will be charged to disabled persons in the state. He also said if any family is found sending away from the parents to old age home, the state machinery will make sure that those family members will be asked to finance the old parents. Chief Minister Biren distributed checks to 1,500 persons under the scheme. The scheme includes caregiver allowance, maintenance grant, scholarship of students with disabilities, free travel and concession of persons with disabilities, and maintenance grant for homeless older persons. The scheme also provides a monetary assistance of Rs 3,000 to 8,000 per year to disabled persons starting from class 1 to postgraduate. It can be availed by persons with 80% disability and 40% mental retardation.
HIV/AIDS or drug mama orphans school mission school future government government services government
Speaker Yumnam Khemchan today inaugurated the 5th Winter Disabled Mela for Inclusive Society. The Mela was organized by Relief Center for the Welfare of Differently Abled Persons, Manipur, at Sagulban Tera Yangkom Lera Community Hall. Speaking at the event held on the theme Transformation Towards Sustainable and Resilient Society for All, Speaker Yumnam Khemchan said the state government is making efforts to help the differently abled persons lead a normal life. He assured that the government will extend all possible help to organizations which are working for the welfare of the disabled. A blood donation camp was also organized at RIMS in connection with the day.
Anu Sarkar Lakpagabina, Honorable Chief Minister, lerama tongan scheme kaya ama maruina women disabled gi scheme othoga madu benefit phangan bagi habak ko sanjana honari adubu karibuba kanda sarkar gi pidiba scheme singse disabled singna dagi hona bidiba organization singna matam sana phangaktabada phangnaba honabada ai isagi taraptagi ramdi ai angamba sakti dagi amna speaker si madi kari sunate assembly da laidiba MLA sing adugi related oiba adugi mari custody ani adubu mari lainaba office kaya da ai isagi individual level gi wakat palakma mayam du ai namadu applause tongnaba mating pangnaba idamakta thongulauna hangdom sari.
International Day of Persons with Disabilities was also observed at SSA BRC Hold on the theme Transformation Towards Sustainable and Resilient Society for All today. Appliances were distributed to disabled persons on the occasion. International Day of People with Disability was also observed by All Manipur Disabled and Handicapped Persons Development Agency Chingamakha at Leshem Loi Marup Community Hall. Disabled pension scheme or sponsored by or Romand was distributed to various disabled persons from Singjumei at the event. JDO2 District Project Office SSA and IED Imphal East also observed International Day of Persons with Disabilities at JDO2 District Project Office SSA Imphal East Porompat. Aids and appliances were distributed to disabled children. A rally carrying the message to treat differently able persons equally was also taken out till DC Complex Imphal East as a part of the observance.
Laihori bakogi sigi persons with disabilities sing sisu moi masung manaba singa sap manana pol koda moi education asi moi right ni haina hujikti kano su aikogi ek ona su leigre aduga ngasi ki numisida koi mamang da kone sai kudingi medical assessment amamam pangthui masida koigi expert doctor singna la aga yengaga angang si magi SN plan si daka tare na moi recommend tormado amuk alim ko da tharaga
A program on transformation towards sustainable and resilient society for all was held at Mata Public Ground, Lamkai in Churachandpur district in connection with the International Day for Persons with Disabilities yesterday. People Advance in Social Services, Social Human Action for Rural Empowerment Society and Churachandpur District Parent Association for Persons with Disabilities organized the event. Hearing aids, appliances and wheelchairs were also distributed to 15 disabled persons on the occasion. President Ramnath Kovind conferred the National Award for Divyangjana to individuals, institutions, organizations, states, districts for their outstanding achievements and work done towards empowerment of persons with disabilities under 14 categories on the occasion of International Day of Persons with Disabilities today. The annual observance of the International Day of Persons with Disabilities was proclaimed in 1992 by a United Nations General Assembly resolution. It aims to promote the rights and well-being of persons with disabilities in all spheres of society and development and to increase awareness of the situation of persons with disabilities in every aspect of political, social, economic and cultural life. The theme of this year is transformation towards sustainable and resilient society for all. BJP Manipur Pradesh has threatened to file defamation case against the editor of a local eveninger. General Secretary Administration BJP Manipur Pradesh Kekrambam Sarat Kumar today told media persons that the party will register defamation case against the editor of a local eveninger in connection with a discussion on a VIP culture on a local television channel. He said the defamation case will be filed against the editor for defaming some BJP leaders during the discussion. Kekembram Sarat Kumar alleged that the editor questioned the provision of escorts to General Secretary Administration and spokesperson R.K. Sivachandra. He said the editor should not have spoken against them without knowing the real situation. He also said it is not VIP culture to have security protection. Sarat Kumar accused the editor of attempting character assassination against the BJP leaders. He also said the party is prepared to take the local daily, which published derogatory remarks about the Prime Minister and Chief Minister, to court.
Aigi mingsi Kwak Sarat Haidana Panba Dumak. It is highly condemnable. Masi Aigi is at the Sopa, Wafumamoy Bana. Masigi Maramda, Atubada. I knew about Lokalaga, Kaito Buyabagi having Maram, which is Jaragani. Paper Karada, Laibaki, Honorable Prime Minister, State Asika Kumnajariba, Chief Minister Bu, Uranchi Tiga Marile Nebamonda, Irakiba, Iwapungi Matang the Sokoi, I knew about Saptana, Quilakolagani. Madam the Chief Minister Gi, Mari Matabari, Samandi, in never Mayama Yauri. Adudadi, not a single word mentioned Tautraga. Kari Madam Gitamaka BJP at Tamnana.
Spokesperson of BJP Manipur Pradesh R.K. Sivachandra questioned the editor why he attacked the BJP leaders, particularly for taking escorts. He warned that the editor will be held responsible if anything untoward happens. It may be mentioned that Narendra Modi government banned the use of red beacons by VIPs to end the VIP culture.
Karigidamata Asukamba scored people Mayama Lady Isida BJP gi me Humurika Kangalaga Mana Palino. Insurgency Kayu problem Mayamgi borders the Agi told the area operation do Tavana do low ever. Sika you must show the Kainum Tenor Agi Punsiji Kudum Tiba Tata the weather Mr. Samjai will be responsible. Monday threatened over court by what they talk to Aigi RKC was Sisu, Manus might over the Aigi Scorsi Alden, Chatling Color, no wake up so Kayuma talk don't to. I think Mr. Samjai should fix the responsibilities in him. Honorable Minister the State Harbor, Prime Minister the State Harbor, any press federation Kaya Mari Lane of the Kosu, Sapsana Samjai Kaido, has your Kosu, Tanava ready labor.
It's time for a small commercial break. We'll be back with the news of arrest of 2 women cadres of KIKL in Technopole. After the break, keep watching Impact News. Welcome back. You are watching Primetime English News. A team of Technopole District Police led by ASI Nonga Lakpa Yumnam along with women police personnel and commando arrested 2 women KYKL cadres yesterday. The 2 cadres are identified as Moirangthem Leimachanu Elias Lembi, age 19, daughter of M. Tombi from Hairok Part 2 Bazaar, and Tekcham Kabita, age 24 years, daughter of T. Rajendro from Wangjing Tekcham Laikai. Lembi is Army number 2443 of the 26th batch of KYKL. They were arrested by police team near the Technopole Bailey Bridge while they were coming from Moray towards Imphal in a passenger van. A case has been registered at Technopole Police Station. Assistant Publicity Secretary of Revolutionary People's Front, Bankim, in the press release said a team of PLA Tactical Command ambushed the personnel of 31 Assam Rifles, the company in between Langkhan and Aishi village in Kamjong district with IEDs yesterday. Bankim claimed that some AR personnel were injured during the ambush. He said the ambush was in line with the attack on the 18 Assam Rifles personnel at Mahamani village in Chandel district on November 13 and the attack on the 4 Assam Rifle personnel at Sajik Tampak on November 15. Maoist Communist Party Manipur in a press release said it will boycott of the upcoming winter session of the Manipur Assembly in protest against non-distribution of PDS items like fuel and rice to the genuine beneficiaries. The outfit also decided to call a 12-hour general strike from 5 a.m. to 5 p.m. on December 20 in all 5 valley districts. The Silver Jubilee of the Azad Delhi, published in English and Tangkhul language, was celebrated today. The celebration was held at the auditorium of Tribal Research Institute, Chingmairom. Information and Public Relations Minister Thongam Beswajit, Chingai MLA, Kasim Bashum, Director of IPR Meghachandra Kongbam, and members of Editors Guild Manipur attended the celebration. A 2-minute silence was observed in memory of the founder of the newspaper, Ngaithingkhui Hungyo. The delegates of High Commission of India, Bangladesh to the first Notice Summit and the Manipur Sangai Festival called on Chief Minister Nongthombam Biren at his office on the 30th of last month. Member Secretary of Manipur Cultural Complex, Maishram Rajesh, said they discussed the upcoming Indo-Bangla Manipur Cultural Festival 2018, which will be held in March, and the delegates requested the Chief Minister to attend the event and to extend financial assistance. Minister Karam Sham, convener of Manipur Cultural Complex, Bangladesh, Jayant Singha, Member Secretary Maishnam Rajesh, Secretary Bangladesh Manipuri Kang Federation Ibonghal Samhal Shamal, Chairman Integrated Manipuri Association IMA Bangladesh Koirom Indrajit, Actress S. Dhanamanjuri, and Secretary Patriotic Writers Forum Manipur Rakesh Naurim attended the meeting. The 11th Foundation Day of Research Forum Manipur was celebrated at the Conference Hall of Center for Entrepreneur and Skill Development, Manipur University today. Founder of Mutua Museum, Mutua Bahadur, spoke on the life and religion of Meiteis settled in Myanmar. The annual ritual of Pawoipi Pau Koulol, which is held on the full moon of the Manipuri lunar month, was held today. A temple named Nompok Jingu Thong was also consecrated at the event organized by Ima Leshem Inat Loishang at Thalo Sipi Lok in Thalo Sipi Lok Range. Around 2,000 persons from different parts of the state took part in the event. A book titled Ailaiti Uchate Mayaiti Pangchale, written by Sahitya Academy awardee Sarachan Thiam, was also released. Speaking about the book, Sarachan said it is one's religion to understand oneself. He said, all must strive together to preserve and protect the culture, language and traditions. Manipur archer Paunam Lili Chanu called on Chief Minister Nongthombam Biren at the Chief Minister's Secretariat yesterday. It may be mentioned that Paunam Lili Chanu won a silver medal in the World Archery Championship held in Mexico from October 15 to 22. The Chief Minister congratulated and wished her luck in her future endeavors. DGP LM Kaute today unveiled the foundation stone of Kuki Football Academy at D. Failhal Ground in Kangpopi district. The academy aims at promoting football among the budding players in the district. ADGP Christopher Dongyal hoisted the flag of the academy. An exhibition match between players of the academy and Film Forum Manipur team was also held at the event. The mega finale of the 7th State Level Transformation Challenge was held today at the Manipur State Film Development Society Auditorium. Hosted by Fitness Center Nagamapal, the 3-month Transformation Challenge was participated by a number of health-conscious competitors.
Ngasi akoina Transformation Challenge silmurumti akoina noina sa phau koi paisa pige haibani Manipur macha sina koi karigumba body building mission inda thoke haragadi magi body type lay ectomo mesomo indomo koi lay adami kudimak akoina mission inda potok padi ngamloi adami kudimak masa fit wenge haina akoina chongthok charaga ꯑꯄꯨꯟꯕ ꯐꯤꯠꯅꯦꯁ ꯁꯦꯟꯇꯔꯅ ꯑꯁꯤꯒꯨꯝꯂꯕ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯆꯥꯎꯔꯕ ꯊꯧꯗꯥꯡ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯂꯧꯖꯕꯅꯤ
ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯗꯁꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯁꯥꯟꯅ ꯈꯣꯠꯅꯕꯒꯤ ꯂꯝꯗ ꯁꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯇꯧꯅ ꯑꯦꯞꯁꯤꯅ ꯁꯤꯟꯕꯤꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯁꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯑꯦꯋꯥꯔꯅꯦꯁ ꯑꯗꯩ ꯁꯥꯟꯅ ꯈꯣꯠꯅꯕ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯄꯤꯔꯤꯕ ꯀꯥꯟꯅꯕꯁꯤꯡꯁꯦ ꯑꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯍꯩꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯤ ꯃꯆꯥꯁꯤꯡ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔ ꯂꯩꯄꯨꯅꯃꯛꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯁꯥ ꯃꯎ ꯐꯕꯗ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯄꯨꯟꯁꯤ ꯅꯨꯡꯖꯥꯡꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯦꯠ ꯑꯃ ꯑꯣꯏꯕꯗꯁꯨ ꯁꯣꯏꯗꯒꯤ ꯑꯐꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯀꯣꯛ ꯊꯣꯡꯕ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯦꯠ ꯑꯃ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯛꯀꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯤ ꯁꯤꯃꯁꯨ ꯊꯥꯖꯕ ꯅꯠꯇꯅ ꯃꯈꯥ ꯇꯥꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯑꯄꯨꯟꯕ ꯐꯤꯠꯅꯦꯁ ꯁꯦꯟꯇꯔꯅ ꯇꯣꯉꯥꯟ ꯇꯣꯉꯥꯟꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔ ꯃꯐꯝꯁꯤꯡꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯍꯪꯕꯤꯔꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯁꯥ ꯃꯎ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏ ꯌꯥꯏꯐꯕ ꯁꯣꯁꯥꯏꯇꯤ ꯑꯆꯧꯕ ꯅꯦꯁꯟ ꯑꯃ ꯁꯦꯝꯕꯗ ꯑꯆꯧꯕ ꯗꯥꯏꯇ ꯂꯧꯕꯤꯌꯨ.
Northeast United FC bagged their first victory in Indian Premier League 2017-18 as they defeat Delhi Dynamos by 2-0 at Jawaharlal Nehru Stadium in Delhi. Both team goals came in the first half. Martino opened the score sheet and 5 minutes later, Danilo Cazzaro doubled the lead after a horrifying blunder from Delhi goalkeeper Albino Gomez. Danilo Cazzaro's goal was also ISL's 500th goal. Kerala Blasters will face Mumbai City at 8 p.m. tonight. And before we wrap up, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Viren launches scheme which offers caregiver allowance, maintenance grants, scholarship of students with disabilities, free travel and concession of persons with disabilities. International Day of Persons with Disabilities observed across the state. And BJP Manipur Pradesh to file defamation case against editor of a local newspaper.